Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the brick bowl pineapple safe ice in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can cook many new special recipe. One of them this secret recipe, brick bowl pineapple safe ice. And to unlock this recipe, you can just go to your brick serving card like this. You can craft it by yourself. And if you don't know how to craft it, you can just check the tutorial in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then next, just tap on it, and then after that just use this original recipe of brick bowl fruit safe ice. You can get this original recipe from the NPC Massimo. You can buy it from him. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need condensed milk, brick ice, and then just replace the fruit ingredients with pineapple like this. And after that, just tap on start cooking. And then just wait for a moment like this. Like this, just like that, you will successfully unlock this brick bowl pineapple safe ice. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.